My name is Christina Rumbach, and I'm an attorney with Legal Aid of West Virginia. If you are following the divorce video segment, this is video 6. Otherwise, this video walks you through the vital statistics form. You will start with the vital statistics form. At the top of the page is a place to add the county in which you are filing your divorce action. Under civil action number, you will leave this space blank, as it will be completed later by the circuit clerk. Petitioner's name, add your full first, middle, and last name if you're the one filing. If you're answering a divorce petition, then you will be the respondent, and you will add your name under respondent, full first, middle, and last name. Whichever one you do not use, add the name of your spouse. Petitioner's and/or respondent's maiden name. In this section, you will put the maiden name of the appropriate party. Petitioner's date of birth, put the date of birth of the petitioner, and then under respondent's date of birth, put the respondent's date of birth. Place of marriage, you'll need the county and the state in which you were married. The date of marriage, the month, day, and year of your marriage. You'll want to select divorce. The other section of the form leaves a space to add all of the children that were born of the marriage. Put the child's full name and their date of birth. The last line on the form, the date of the decree, will be completed once the divorce is finalized by the circuit clerk's office. If you have any additional questions, please call Legal Aid of West Virginia or visit our website.